Intel have done it again. If you thought the CPUs couldn't get even more ridiculously expensive, especially on a high end, well, don't worry, they got you covered with the brand new Intel 14900KS, which recent leaks suggest will cost $750. Just for some context, that is $150 more than the 4900K, which was already of dubious value, and $50 more than the previous special edition from Team Blue. Now, these CPUs were always weird. They cost a lot more for barely any performance, and this time around it won't be too different, seeing how it almost likely turbo to 6.2 GHz, or a whopping 200 MHz more than the base 4900K. So is that in itself worth as much as 150 months of subscriptions to my Patreon? No. But still, seeing how these are the highest, best bin chips that have at the disposal this generation, you can also assume that they'll be pretty fun to manually overclock yourself if you're in that kind of stuff. So if you want to take it further, a lot further, mind you, by yourself, then you can totally do it. Though you're probably going to need some pretty decent cooling for that, seeing how just the base TDP will go up to 150 watts. Meaning that unless something pretty major changes by the launch, then like most Intel Special Edition CPUs, this one will be a bit of a hard sell, and odds are that much won't change by launch, seeing how the most likely release date is on the 14th of March, which is in 2 days' time. I don't even have my watch on, so this joke doesn't really work. But still, are you picking this one up later this week? Let me know down in the comments below. And whilst you're here, maybe check out that Patreon I mentioned a bit earlier. Because yes, it does cost just 1/750th of the price of this CPU. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Vroniak, Dev Panda, Nosgav of Kane, Balazs Velka, not a pseudonym, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.